To be successful in today's challenging business environment, plans and decisions must be coordinated within the company as well as between trading partners. An effective sales and operations planning process needs to steer leadership teams to maximize their opportunities and to position them for success. Additionally, S&OP can be used as the platform for continuous improvement and to drive results in your organization. Nexview Consulting offers 1 or 2 day training courses on S&OP for single companies as well as for conference settings on a global basis. Training sessions are an excellent way to kick off S&OP projects by aligning your team around objectives, vision, and scope, as well as to convey the common ground for what S&OP is, best practices, and for what is needed from whom. Some company efforts just need to get kicked off, while others can benefit from consulting support for an assessment and/or implementation program involving process improvement, change management, and enabling technology. Both the single company and conference versions of the training produce tangible outputs that participants can put to use immediately and will be helpful for those just beginning with S&OP as well as for those who need to revitalize an existing process.
Let's take a look at some of the content we offer as part of the course. We'll tailor an agenda that's specific to your needs that blends instruction, exercises, team building, and case material that is drawn from topics such as listed below. It's often very helpful to hold an exercise that surfaces current challenges in your organization, specifically around metrics that you'd like to improve, and then we can discuss how S&OP can drive results in these areas. Nexview has some benchmarking tools to assess your current state relative to S&OP best practices, and we can also complete an exercise to create a vision for what S&OP should be in your organization, discuss roles, responsibilities, and as we had mentioned before, to identify some results areas. We'll also weave in some of the S&OP best practices of leading companies, take a look at IT requirements, and discuss the current state of systems available in today's market to enable S&OP. It's often very helpful to talk about S&OP metrics, but not only what they are, but also how to use them more effectively and layer them in throughout the process. Many times S&OP meetings are not as effective as we would like, and we can offer techniques to improve the effectiveness of these meetings. We can complete a case study segment that will offer the opportunity to examine best practice S&OP report formats. In the conference format, we'll naturally be exchanging ideas with other companies, and the course will really enable a very good jumping off point from which to launch an S&OP improvement initiative. Overall, the course provides participants with a very high impact experience for a modest time commitment and cost.
Please don't hesitate to contact us with questions or just to bounce ideas around, and please see the website for more on S&OP, the company, and how we generate results for clients.